testimonial about Rest More. The thing I love most about Rest More is that it puts me into a deep sleep to where I'm not restless or tired the next day. I take 2 Rest Mores a night. It helps me relax, mellow before bed instead of laying in bed and all my thoughts are everywhere and I can't go to sleep. Rest More has really helped me since then, because without Rest More, I would always be laying in bed, not relaxed, my mind going every which way. But as soon as I started taking Rest More, it relaxed my mind and my body. If you're looking for a better sleep, I recommend Rest More.